Hello, this is Karen Reimer. I'd like to show you today how you can reuse your empty bottles of essential oils to make yourself wonderful sprays for lots of purposes and to use all over the house. And there's different carriers that you can use as well. So if you want to make kind of a perfume or a body spray, I would use witch hazel. You can find this in any good health food store. If you want to make more like a bathroom spray, I would use just rubbing alcohol. Or you can use vodka as well. So for this purpose, I use lavender because I like to make, well, my bottle is almost empty, so I like to reuse it. And I like to make sprays for when I travel with my little one. It's good to spray some in the car before we leave, so it relaxes the little one and mommy and daddy as well. I also spray some on her in her bedroom before she goes to bed. With the diffuser, or just on her pillow, on her clothes, or on a PJ. It works wonders. So in here I have about like, I don't know, maybe 10 drops of essential oil. So what I'll do, I will use just a little bit of alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Maybe like a quarter to a half a bottle, maybe a quarter, so it doesn't smell too much like alcohol, and I just fill it up with water over here. And then you can buy these spray tips a little bit everywhere. Just look online, there's a lot of places that do sell that. So if the tip is a little too long, you just measure it and cut it with scissors. I'll cut it usually diagonally, so it goes and takes all the liquid at the bottom of the bottle. Shake it well, and voila, you have yourself a wonderful spray. Smells like lavender. So you can even use with alcohol, you can even use it on you, or you can spray any fabrics, and it helps to keep everything fresh and smelling clean. So I hope this was useful for you, and please, if it was, like my page. And if you have any other ideas you would like to share with me, you would like me to show you how to do some other things, please don't hesitate to let me know. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.